Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Mindray CD80 detergent, volume of 1 ml. Over here we can see the brand name Mindray. The product name is CD80 detergent, volume of 1 ml. The product reference number is 10503143300. We should maintain the normal room temperature 235 degrees Celsius. It is a C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the expiry date also. Here we can see the manufacturing address. Shenzhen Mindray Biomedical Electronics. This kit is origin from China. So this kit is origin from China. Manufacturing also from China. Here we can see the overall view of this product. This is the top view. On the top we can see the brand name Mindray in the cap. This is a side view, it is a plain view. This is a back view. This is also a plain side. There is a watery content. This is also a plain view. So this is the overall view of this product. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Mindray CD80 detergent, the volume of 1 liter. Here we can see the front view of this. This is a C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the reference number again 1050311433300. This is the overall view. Thank you.